Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to pass your Facebook group, then this video will be helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can pass your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then click on your groups on top menu. After that, scroll down and here you can see your all groups will appear. So click on the groups that you want to pass. For example, I want to pass first group, so click on first group. After that, click on manage and then scroll down to the end. Here you can see different options. Here pass group, click on it. After that, it will ask you why do you want to pass this group. So you can select any reason. For example, I click on need a break and then continue. After that, it will confirm and then click on continue. After that, click on pass. So guys, in this way you can pass your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.